Ever wondered how metal 3D printing is changing the game in manufacturing? Well, buckle up because we're diving into the world of metal 3D printers, where innovation meets precision and artistry. Hey there, welcome to our metal 3D printing adventure. Picture this, a world where you can create intricate metal parts with just a few clicks. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But guess what? It's real, and it's happening right now. Please like and share the video, subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for more updates. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. Number 10, Trumpf TruePrint 1000. This cutting-edge metal 3D printer is designed for premium quality and high productivity. With its full-field multi-laser technology and redesigned gas flow, it excels in the laser metal fusion process, making it ideal for applications in the dental market, R&D, and small series production. Number 9, Velo 3D Sapphire. This metal 3D printer offers a comprehensive solution for engineers seeking metal additive manufacturing without compromising on design or quality. It goes beyond being just a printer, evolving into a highly integrated system that ensures the highest quality output. Number 8, HP Metal Jet 3D Printer. This Binder Jet 3D printer is a popular choice for metal printing due to its simplicity and affordability. It's designed to be used in various fields to advance companies further. Number 7, Desktop Metal Production System. This system is designed for high-volume production and offers a comprehensive solution for metal additive manufacturing. It's known for its ease of use, high-quality output, and affordability. Number 6, Markforged MetalX. This metal 3D printer is known for its industrial-strength parts and advanced materials. It offers a perfect blend of strength and precision, making it a top choice for industries requiring high-quality metal parts. Number 5, Redia Conflux 1. This metal 3D printer uses a novel approach to 3D printing metal by dissolving metal paste in water. It does not require chemical debinding and can produce various metals, including stainless steel, enamel, and ceramics. Number 4, SLM 125. This metal 3D printer is known for its speed and affordability. It uses kinetic energy concepts to generate 3D printed objects and is flexible, simple, and quick to set up. Number 3, Protofab PFM 150. This metal 3D printer is designed for high-volume production and offers a comprehensive solution for metal additive manufacturing. It's known for its ease of use, high-quality output, and affordability. Number 2, Desktop Metal Studio 2. This metal 3D printer is a completely 3D printing system ideal for the workplace. It includes a debinding machine and a centering furnace, making it a comprehensive solution for metal additive manufacturing. Number 1, Markforged MetalX. This metal 3D printer is known for its industrial strength parts and advanced materials. It offers a perfect blend of strength and precision, making it a top choice for industries requiring high-quality metal parts. And there you have it, the top 10 metal 3D printers you can buy in 2024. Whether you're an engineer, artist, or simply intrigued by the possibilities, these metal 3D printers are designed to provide unmatched precision and reliability. So, which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.